I wish I got to do this as a kid. If you can, try to angle a little bit and then go like that. And then angle that way. And then go up. Yeah, yeah. There you go. There you go. You're good. Nice. Jose, the coolest dad ever. He's letting his kid ride the trail while we convoy out of here. That's an experience I'll never forget. This is my buddy Jose's van, first family man to show up at the lifted van meets. He did some updates since last month. So this one has the Action Van Suspension Ultimate Lift. He has his 4 kids with him. So the kids slept on the bench seats. Last time Jose slept in the passenger seat recline. He's tough, man. But then he made a change. Jose added this bed platform in the back. So this wasn't here last month, so he added this. So he said the kids are rotating who gets to sleep on this bed. So now he has his own bench seat. So there's all his stuff. He has a bike carrier. There's his kid's bike. I'll show you guys that footage later of his kids enjoying the bike. But yeah, factory bench seats. That's the bed. So no build out here, just stock Econoline interior with a little modification to the back. And then shout out to Ryan, Light Bar and Ladder Ryan. He got Ryan's ladder right here. I will pin Ryan's Instagram in the comment section. If you want a ladder way more affordable than Illumin is. So he said his kids love this, and I saw it. His kids were on the roof a lot. So let's go ahead and show you guys the roof. He plans on building a deck up here. So that'll be cool. Build a deck, put some lawn chairs up here. That'll be awesome. That's the dream when you have a roof rack on a van. You gotta build a deck. All right, I'm talking to Jose, the family man. Why a lifted van, man? This is your second time out already? You're just going all in on this, man. Why a lifted van?
I don't know. Look cool, man. I love it. I love it. That's all.
You said you saw one just, you saw them rolling.
Couple, yeah,
randomly.
I mean, I always wanted one. Like I said, I always wanted one.
A normal van.
Normal.
Yeah.
But then I started seeing lifted vans. Crazy. I was like, I want one. I'll show the kids. The one will be like, oh, that's ugly.
I didn't say that.
Mom said that?
They're ugly. Those are rape vans. now she says it's hers. Now she wants to add a sound system and blah, blah, blah.
That's Joe's wife said. They're ghetto.
Yeah.
When you see a lifted van, Wendy grew to them, right?
Yeah.
See?
She didn't like it at first.
Yep, she didn't like it.
Factory. She's like, why are you buying that?
See?
Ugly. Yeah. They love it, man. Now they love it.
See?
At least my wife, she loves it now.
Shout out to Wendy.
Now they want it. Now they want to drive it.
Go on the roof.
Yeah,
Just go out.
I'm gonna put a deck. I was thinking of a pop-up tent, but talking to them and everything. So I was like, you know what?
What's to put some lawn chairs up there?
Yeah, I'll just
cot.
put a deck on top like Joe's, and they can sleep up there in the summer. We don't need a tent.
I already fell asleep on there yesterday.
I know.
There you go. And then I was gonna stop doing lifted van meets, and I didn't realize it was this guy that said, oh, I just got my van lifted. And
for you to make the next meet, and then you said the next fucking YouTube channel I see, it's canceled. Like a no more lives. I was like, oh.
And I felt bad, legit, dude. I was like, man, people actually like these. So I kept them going, man. I'm glad I did, because I met you. I've seen Scott a couple times. This is my buddy Jose PhD. Camille's all in, man. Camille's all happy looking driving this thing right here now. I see the smile now. He's ready for the next one already. So we got to get something together. We got to go out here. So we're just doing a little exploring today. I'm just trying to learn more spots for us to go to. And this one's a unlimited spots place. It's really cool. So I want to sleep out here a Friday night after work and wake up and just explore this area. So that's the plan. Okay, doing a scouting mission for my friends. Looks like easy money. There they are across from me. You have so much clearance, man. You're not even close to touching the rocks, dude. Look at that smile, man. Tells the tale right there. I know this is what he envisioned, lifting his van, just doing stuff like this. Lift kit just makes it easier. Look at that. Let's see. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, fine, too easy. Oh, it's time, man. It's time to up the difficulty now, man.